What is up, everybody? So I can't have a YouTube channel and not talk about the craziness in the market right now. I cannot have a YouTube channel and not hit on AMC and GameStop. I'm going to expand on those a little bit, tell you my thoughts for the future on that. It's crazy. It's nuts. What's happening right now with people kind of taking back the power from these big hedge funds, in my opinion, is incredible. It's great. But there are some things that you need to know about that in order for you to make smart decisions with your money. Yeah, you can jump on the train, make you some quick money. There's nothing wrong with that. I have nothing against the people who are diving in this and getting out really quickly and making a lot of money, honestly. But what you need to know, especially for you beginner investors, you beginner traders, dude, don't jump on this train and think it's going to take you to the moon constantly. It's not going to do that, guys. All right, and so what I want to do is really quick. This is going to be a short video because I am personally not messing with GameStop. I am personally not investing with AMC. I am more of a safe trader than that. I don't trade on hype. I don't trade on the next shiny thing that comes along. So what I want to do is I really want to just let you know. So right now, GameStop is trading at $262 a share. That is incredible. And it's even more incredible when I tell you what it was trading at not that long ago. Its average trading cost is like $19.60. So we went from $19.60 on an average for the last year or 2 years, and it jumped up to $263 a share. Now, let's just use GameStop as an example real quick. So just because their stock decided it was going to skyrocket and just take off and gain all these major percentages and make a lot of people a lot of money, does that change the fact that GameStop is a business whose shares are typically around $19, $20? Is GameStop a better business right now? Did it all of a sudden have such a miraculous year that it is worth $264 a share? No, it didn't. And guys, that's the part that I want you to understand. Just because it shot up and it went way up like that, that doesn't mean that that business is actually doing that well. It's probably not doing any better than it's done in the last several years. It's probably a $20 stock. The reason it's running up is because people are buying into it to try to, beat hedge funds out of them making money, which is fine. That's perfectly fine. I have nothing against that at all. What I'm trying to get you to understand is if you invest in it now and you think, yeah, I'm going to ride this thing to the moon, you're going to get burned at some point. It may go up from here and people may continue to buy into it. Hedge funds may lose. The people in America that are investing in it, it may rise and you may make a lot of money. I hope that's what happens to you guys. I really do. But just know it is a $20 stock. That is where it lives. That's where it has lived for the last several years. It is a $20 stock that is now overpriced to $266 a share. I mean, it's going up just sitting here talking about it. But what you have to understand is it's going to go back to what it originally started at some point. GameStop did not become a better business because its stock took off. GameStop is the same business it was before this happened. And its share price is going to reflect that over time. So if you're going to get money out of this, go for it. I'm all for you. I am cheering for you. I am not playing it because I play it safe, and that's just kind of who I am, and that's what I do. But do know that if you think you're going to stay in this and hold it for any length of time, you're messing with a $20 stock, not a $270 stock overall, okay? They're not a better business because people decided to start investing in there and their stock went up. They're the same business they've always been, okay? So just so you know that, I want to be sure that you're aware, and I want to go over to AMC. So AMC is a little bit different situation. AMC is a business that has been slowly falling in the stock market for the last, 2 or 3 years. I'm going to expand my screen here. It's been falling for the last 2 or 3 years. Now, 3 years ago, it was priced at about $20 a share, which is awesome. That's really good. That's what it was 3 years ago. Ever since then, it has declined drastically, and it got all the way down to, let me help you out there, it got down to $1.99. $1.99. Okay, so right at $2. And in the last week, it's gone up to $14 a share. Do you think that AMC Entertainment just overnight became such a fantastic business that their shares should represent that they jumped up that much from $2 to $14 overnight? Their business just got that much better? Think about it. No, it didn't. Now you can invest in this short term and you can make a lot of money. If you know when to get in, you know when to get out. But if you're a beginner, you're going to get burned at some point. At some point, this business, everyone's going to flood away from it, just like they flooded into it. And it's going to go back down just like it was going before and drop below $5 and continue to work its way down. I wish the best for AMC, but for the last 2 years, they've steadily declined. I don't think that their business made a huge drastic turn in the last 2 days to make their stock share go up that much, okay? So just be aware of where these stocks were before all of this happened and know that, yes, they can continue to rise. I hope that they do. I hope you make a lot of money on that. But know where they live within the stock market and know where their average price is and know that those stocks are eventually going to go back to where they were. I don't know when that is. I have no clue. Don't get burned thinking they're not going to go back down at some point. They're going to go back. At some point, they're going to go back. I hope they don't. I hope they stay up. I hope you guys make $1 million tomorrow and the day after that and the day after that. I'm pulling for you. I hope that happens. I'm going to keep my eye on it just so I can keep you guys posted. Hey, while you're here, go hit that subscribe button down there. Go hit that notification bell. That way you can get all my updates. I really appreciate you guys watching this. I hope that this helps you out. I hope that I don't scare you away from making money, but I hope that I inform you enough to where you make safe money and continual money and you don't go broke trying to mess with stuff that people are diving in and out of. Okay? Enjoy investing. I enjoy talking to you guys. I'll talk to you next time. Thanks.